Hey everyone, and welcome to our journey into the wonderful world of the trigonometry. For some, trigonometry might sound intimidating, but fear not. This video will break it down into the easy to understand concept, making you a pro at solving angle and side problem in no time. Trigonometry is all about the relationship between angle and side in triangles, especially right triangles. Imagine you are a brilliant architect, designer, a skyscraper. Trigonometry helps you calculate heights, distance, and angle to ensure your building is strong and stable. Let's meet our special team, the side of a right triangle. We have the opposite side, the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side in the triangle. It's always opposite to the right triangle. So this is the right triangle in the given triangle, and opposite side of the right triangle is C. So C is our hypotenuse. Now get ready to meet the fantastic four of trigonometry, our hero who unlock the mysteries of the triangle. They are sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. As of now, we are discussing three of them. Rest trigonometric functions, we will meet them as we progress. So what sine theta said? This cool character tells you the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So it is denoted as SOH. S means sine, O means opposite side, and H for hypotenuse. So this our angle is the theta one. So opposite side is A. So sine theta is A divided by hypotenuse is C. Cosine theta calculates the ratio between the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So adjacent side in the given triangle is B, then adjacent side is B and hypotenuse is C. So it is also denoted as CAH. C for cos, A for adjacent side, and H for hypotenuse. The tan theta reveals the ratio between the opposite side and the adjacent side. So opposite side is again A and adjacent side is B. It is also denoted as TOA. T means tangent, O means opposite, A for adjacent. Let's take an example that the hypotenuse over here, which is denoted as a C, is a flagpole which is slanted to one of the wall. This red line which shows as a wall over here, and the angle, this angle theta denotes that the flag is making an angle with the wall which is theta. In the given problem, it's, let's say it's 30, right? And the base distance between the wall and the flagpole is 5 meter. So we are given a theta value over here. We are also having the value of the opposite side which is 5 meter. So what we need to find? The height of the pole that we need to find over here in sine theta terms is a hypotenuse. First step, we plug the value of theta as 30, opposite side value as 5 meter, and hypotenuse as C. Value of sine theta is 1/2. We will discuss the same, that how we derive the value of the sine 30 as 1/2 in the next video, divided by 5 divided by C. So C is equal to 5 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 10 meter. So hypotenuse is 10 meter. Hypotenuse is equal to the height of the flagpole. So height of the flagpole is equal to 10 meter. The flagpole is 10 meters tall. We have just unlocked the power of sine. There are many practice problems. You can try to solidify your understanding. In the next video, we will explore cosine, tangent, and some cool application of trigonometry in physics, engineer, and even in games as well. Thanks for joining us in this exciting adventure into the trigonometry. Subscribe to the channels for more math awesomeness and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you next time.